All right, let's talk about what might just be one of the biggest game changers in the entire world of data and AI right now, Microsoft Azure Fabric. The promise here is huge, to finally bring some serious order to all that data chaos. And in this explainer, we're going to break down exactly how it pulls that off.
So, to really get it, you just have to look at this. That tangled mess of lines on the left, that's the before picture. That was the reality for years. A bunch of powerful but separate services that you had to manually wire together. And on the right, that clean, simple icon, well, that's Fabric. This one image basically tells the whole story.
All right, so to really appreciate why Fabric is such a big deal, we got to rewind and look at the pain it's designed to solve. And trust me, if you've ever worked in data and analytics, you know this pain. It felt like being stuck in a maze, constantly trying to juggle a whole world of disconnected tools. I mean, this was the reality, right? You had data engineers just drowning, trying to manage a dozen different tools. You were the one responsible for manually stitching everything together, which was a nightmare and would break all the time. Your data for business intelligence was over here, and the data for machine learning was way over there. And trying to keep it all secure and governed, forget about it. But that whole era of complexity and frustration, that's exactly what Microsoft decided to go after. A huge shift is happening with the arrival of a truly unified solution, Microsoft Fabric. This is the way out of that data maze. So what is this thing, really? At its heart, Fabric is what's called a SaaS platform, software as a service. But the key word here, the only word you really need to remember, is unified. It takes all those separate data and AI services you used to have to juggle and puts them all under one roof, in one single workspace. This is a massive play by Microsoft to change the game. And this is where it gets really interesting. Fabric isn't just playing nice with the old tools. In many cases, it's straight up replacing them. See that? OneLake takes the place of your old Azure Data Lake, or ADLS. The data engineering tools, they're designed to replace things like Databricks or Synapse. It's a bold move, right? Microsoft is basically saying, come on in, we've got everything you need right here in our ecosystem. It just massively simplifies your tech stack. And of course, the benefits here directly tackle all those headaches we just talked about. You get to work in one place. You can finally stop trying to be a systems integrator, connecting all these different services. Plus, it plugs right into the tools your company is already using every single day, like Office 365 and Teams. And maybe the best part? It's all cloud native, which means you never have to worry about managing servers again. Okay, so how does this whole thing actually work under the hood? Let's peel back the layers a bit and look at the architecture. You'll see that it all starts with one super important foundation. And that foundation is called OneLake. Honestly, the name is perfect. The easiest way to think about it is like OneDrive, but for all of your company's data. It's one single, central, logical data lake for the entire organization. No more data silos. Everything, and I mean everything, in Fabric reads from and writes to this one place. So with OneLake as our base, what do we build on top of it? Well, you basically get the whole toolbox for any data job imaginable. You've got Dataflow Gen 2 for getting your data in. You've got the Lakehouse for doing your heavy-duty processing with things like Spark. You've got notebooks for all you data scientists out there. And they even threw in Copilot, your own AI assistant, to help you write code and queries. It's the whole shebang from start to finish. And this really brings it all to life. Let's walk through a super simple workflow. Say you've got sales data coming in. Step 1, you use a data flow to pull it into OneLake. Step 2, you use the Lakehouse to clean it up and process it. Then, from that exact same place, you can build a Power BI report for the sales team, and you can train an AI model to predict future sales. See that? No switching apps, no moving data around. It's just seamless. Okay, so that's the tech. We've seen what it is and how it works. But now let's get to the real question. Why should you care? Who actually benefits from all this? Let's break down what this means for you and your company. Well, it really doesn't matter what your title is. If you're a data engineer building pipelines, Fabric's got you covered. If you're a data analyst who lives and breathes Power BI, this is your new home. Or if you're a data scientist crunching numbers in notebooks, yep, there's a native experience for you too. The whole point is to bring all of you together to work in the same space on the same data. And that collaboration is exactly why entire companies are making this switch. This thing is built for serious enterprise-level work. It inherits all of Microsoft's top-notch security and compliance, which is a huge deal for IT departments. And the big one? No more infrastructure management. That is a massive, massive win for any organization. So if you had to boil it all down, it really comes down to these three killer advantages. First, that unified platform means you get from an idea to a finished product way, way faster. Second, the deep integration with the Microsoft ecosystem just makes it a no-brainer. And third, that SaaS model means your smartest people can stop worrying about servers and start focusing on what the data is actually telling them. So, as we wrap this up, it becomes pretty clear that this isn't just another product update. Fabric really represents a fundamental shift. It's a signpost for where the entire world of data and AI is heading, and that future, above all else, is unified.
This quote just nails it. Azure Fabric equals the future of cloud-native data engineering, BI, and AI. That's it. That's the whole story. It's the one place where all these critical fields finally come together into one cohesive whole. So here's the bottom line, the crucial point to take away. The old way of doing things, that messy, disconnected maze, is on its way out. Fabric is quickly becoming the new default, the new standard in corporate IT. And what that means for you is that getting up to speed on this now isn't just about staying current. It's about getting ahead of the curve. And that really leaves us with one final thought, a question for you and your team to really think about. This unified future isn't a what-if anymore. It is happening right now. The only real question left is your team ready for it?